Good day to everyone. In this video, we'll learn about how to sort. So, in order to sort, we need to select the data, and in the data menu, we need to go to sort. There, you can see that sort by number it has already been taken. Now I am selecting it. I am giving the order as smallest to largest. I have given the order. Now I am clicking on OK. Now you can see that the numbers has been rearranged from smallest to largest. This is how the basic sort function works. The shortcut method, the shortcut key to get the sort is Alt D and then S. If we click on that, we can get the sort option. Next, we learn about sorting criteria. Sort through criteria. Now I'm selecting the data, then I'm clicking on sort. Here we can sort based on the criteria, that is based on the headings through which we need to sort the data. Here we have date, salesperson name, product, region, sales, rupees, sales commission, purchases. So I'm selecting it based on the product. I'm giving the order from A to Z. Now you can see that the product has been sorted in the alphabetical order, that is A to Z. Accessories, desktop, laptop, printer, etc. So this is how the sort criteria works. Now you can see another example. I have selected the data, then I have clicked on sort. In sort on option, in sort by you can click on date, or if you leave like that also it's okay. Then here you can select cell color. If you have cell color, then you can select it by, you can sort it by cell color. Now I select the pink. Now I click on OK. Now you can see that the pink color which I had selected has come up. So this is how we can do the sort through selecting the criteria. Sort through multi-criteria. To sort through multi-criteria, select the data, then click on sort. Here we can sort first by date, oldest. I am selecting as newest to oldest. I am giving the order. Next I am giving it product type A to Z. Then add another level, then by quantity, largest to smallest. So these are the criteria, multi-criteria which I have given to sort. Now I am clicking on OK. Now you can see the data has been sorted based on our order. So this is how multi-criteria sorting works. So next we learn about custom sort. So in order to do the custom sort, select the data, then click on sort. In this order, you can see that we have a option called custom list. Click on the custom list. Then you can click on new list, and you can customize your list. I'm customizing using the based on the employee code. I have given the order now. List entries. I'm clicking on add. Then I'm clicking on OK. So we can see the order has been displayed here. So now I'm clicking on OK again. Now you can see that these orders which I had given has come up. So this is how customized sort works. So how can we sort the data through horizontally? In order to do this horizontal sort, you should select the data, then click on sort. Then here you can see that we have sort by row. Before we had the sort by column. So how to change it? We have an option here. Click on options. Here before we had selected as sort top to bottom. Now we are selecting it sort left to right and then click on OK. Then sort by row 1, cell values A to Z. Then I'm clicking on OK. I'm giving the order as Z to A since it is already arranged from A to Z. I'm giving it the order as Z to A. Then now I'm clicking on OK. Now we can see that the rows has been changed. From Z to A it has been sorted. This is how sort functions works. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please comment down the video. We will revert back to you shortly. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss any updates from our channel. Thank you.